Kick the platform is growing and grabbing brand new streamers every single day, which means it's going to bring attention to scammers and people that can do your account and channel harm, which is why I recommend you turn on today two-factor authentication. Now, if you're not familiar with what two-factor authentication is, think of it this way in simple terms. It's a protective shield that goes around your account that stops unwanted third-party access from it, generally done through an authentication token or code that only you, the account holder, has access to. Now, Kick thinks they made this easy to set up, and let me tell you, it's a little convoluted. Now, generally, it's easiest to set up using your mobile phone, whether it be iOS or Android. iOS, I know for a fact, download the mobile Kick app first before you continue. This will save you a lot of headache. If you're an Android user, they recommend you download an app called a Google Authenticator, so this way it will save all your authentication tokens, okay? Now you need to go to kick.com and sign up account or log into your account and go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture or your avatar image and go to settings. From settings, you can go down to security. When you're on the security page, go to the bottom and there you can click on the enable two-factor authentication button. Now a QR code will pop up on screen and you can scan this with your smartphone. If you have an iOS phone and you downloaded the app, like I said before, it will already cache an authenticator slot within your phone. All you need to do is scan the image, pull the code up that you see right here on screen. It'll be unique to you, which will be a 6-digit number. You have to do it within 20 or 30 seconds. And then you click continue and it'll set up the two-factor authentication. If you're doing this on Android, it's essentially the same step, but you have to use that Google Authenticator, which will designate that slot for Kick in your phone. And you have to put the same exact code that's unique to you that it's representing in that authenticator slot and click continue. This is where it saves you a lot of headache by pre-downloading the authenticators or pre-downloading Kick the mobile app. If you don't have any of that, yeah, you can copy and paste, but you still will have to use the Google Authenticator app. So just scan the QR code. You're going to save yourself a lot of headache. Now, once you go past that step, yeah, that's it. You have now put your account in 2FA or two-factor authentication, and this will protect your account going forward while you stream on Kick. Now, if you don't plan on using two-factor authentication, that's perfectly fine. However, if you plan on monetizing your channel, it's required by Kick that you do use two-factor authentication. So think about that. And if you ever want to remove two-factor authentication for whatever reason, maybe perhaps you have to reset your account overall, all you have to do is just click on the disable button, that big red button that was the enable button, and it'll remove it and you can reset up the process for whatever reason. Perhaps you need to refresh your account or you lost access to it in the beginning. This is the best, fastest, and easiest way to set up two-factor authentication on Kick. If you need any more help on how to use anything on Kick's streaming platform, I'm going to put a couple of videos over to my side that's going to make you bigger and better being a streamer. And if you need any more help on Kick, leave me a comment down below, smash that subscribe button so I know how to help you and I can continue to grow to bring you more awesome content. Well, I'd wish you the best of luck on your streaming platform of choice, but in this video, it's Kick, and I wish you the best of luck. Take care and peace.